This is my first unboxing video since getting my new phone, and I have no idea how it's gonna go. I don't usually buy orchids this late in the year, but I got shown by Facebook. You never know why Facebook shows you certain things, but I'm in a buy-sell orchids group where I pretty much almost never buy anything. And one of the people that I met when I was at the World Orchid Conference in Taiwan, Mims, who owns Blue Ridge Orchids, he normally sells Phalaenopsis, and I almost never buy anything from him. Actually, this is my first purchase from him because I don't think I grow Phalaenopsis well enough to buy one of his Phalaenopsis. That's really why I have never bought one. They're pretty pricey and they're beautiful, and I just don't want them to come to my house and die. So, but he offered up this Chysis, I think if I say it correctly, Maritza Blitzik, and it's this beautiful sort of pink hybrid Chysis. And I bought 2 seedlings of this last year from, not last year, like 2-3 years ago, from Exotic Orchids of Maui, and they did not grow for me. And anyway, so Mike was offering up 6-inch pots. Maritza Blitzik, I'm definitely not saying that wrong, and I bought one. I am not really sure how to open this. Probably not. That was not the way to start. Probably, maybe if I open up an end would probably be better. So, anyways, he had trouble finding a box large enough for this. Oh, this is not the way to open this. This is like glued shut. Maybe this was the right spot. I will open this by breaking this box apart through the middle. So he basically had to combine 2 boxes, two FedEx boxes for this, because he said that the boxes that he had, he didn't have anything big enough for this plant. He did show photos of this. I had not realized it was quite this big. So it didn't get out before the weather in Chicago got terrible. It's currently somewhere around 30 degrees. It was freezing. We went out and got our Christmas tree, and FedEx did not ring the doorbell when this was delivered, but it's here now. Oh yes, that was the way to open it. It's like opening up an oyster. Oh, and here it is. There we go. Bubble wrap, and he put a heat pack in it for me, which is, well, it's taped inside, but there was definitely a heat pack in here. It went out before Thanksgiving. It's here today, the day after Thanksgiving. And I am excited to see this huge plant that needed to have a special box constructed for it. So here we go. I hope this video turns out well. I've discovered that the tripod I use to hold my phone, the new iPhone 17 Pro Max is almost too big for it. I can just barely get the holder around the phone. So, so many things different. Oh, it did get cold. Oh, I missed its delivery. So I was hoping to bring it inside right away, but of course it's been in the back of a cold FedEx truck all day. It did get a little cold, you can tell the leaves are a little damaged. But hopefully not too bad. It is gigantic. It is huge. Look at that. So let me hold up the tag. So it's Chysis Martia Bielchi. Bielchi, that's it. There you go. So it's a SIB cross, and we'll see how well it does. I can't stick the tag back in. Oh, so, but that's it.